Hi there YouTubers, I wanted to make a follow-up video on the most popular driver on my channel, which is of course this JL8W7. The first video I posted has over 400,000 views, and it was quite polarising because I know a lot of people have strong opinions on this driver. They sort of love it or they hate it. So I just wanted to answer a few questions about it and of course do an excursion video for you. One of the questions a lot of people have is, there are no screw holes, how do you mount this driver into the box? And it's a very clever system that JL came up with, which is that the hardware is actually hidden underneath the surround. So you need to take a screwdriver to this trim ring, which pops off in theory, and then once you unclip it, and it is quite firmly on there, so once that's removed you actually pull up this metal ring, which again is very well attached. It has to be, to keep the surrounds nice and sealed. And with that removed you then have access, of course, underneath the surround to the mounting screws. Hopefully you can see those in there. And there are 8 of those that mount in a similar way to how you would on a traditional woofer. So I hope that clarifies. Next thing that a lot of people said was nice recone job or nice glue job. And yes, I know it's not the most attractive looking bead of glue, but it is functional. This is a second-hand driver, and when I received it, the sort of inside edge there had separated slightly from the cone, and the adhesion was still good, it was still structurally strong, but I just thought I'd add the extra bead of glue just to help keep it secure and keep dust out, that kind of thing. Lots of complaints, but it's my driver, so I don't really care. In this video, the JL is going to be hooked up to the top Yamaha here, the lower powered one, P2500S, so I don't want to overpower it, and the bigger Yamaha is still powering the monstrous STW.